everyone, I'm Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to talk all about the brand new cozy knit print from JuJuBe. I love this print, you guys. If you guys know me, you know that I love everything cozy. I love pastels, I love cream, I love white, all that stuff. And I also really love silver hardware. And this bag really checks all the marks for me because you guys already know I absolutely love the BFF. And this print, cozy knit, on this bag is just gorgeous. I love it so much. It's just perfect for winter, fall, and just the print in general I think would be great for all year round, but especially winter and fall. Now this print is made to look like a cozy sweater, you guys. So it's basically like a knit sweater print. It is different tones of gray and white, and it's just really, really pretty. And as I mentioned, it has silver hardware. Now this is a brushed silver hardware, but it also has a little bit of a shine to it, so I really, really like that. It makes it feel very chic. This particular print also has gray zippers, which I love, and the lining is just to die for. It's kind of in between a dusty blue and a powder blue, so I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you guys. But today I have this bag packed up very differently than I normally would. If you guys are following me over on Instagram, you already know this. But if you're not, I would love to see you guys over there, and I will leave my information right here for you guys. But I recently got a new puppy. I will post a little picture of her right here for you guys to oogle over. She is absolutely adorable. Her name is Emma, and I will be sharing a video with her very soon. So definitely keep an eye out for that. She is a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and I have been doing a lot of different little puppy visits to the vet recently, and she has her next one coming up very soon here for booster shots. So I wanted to make sure that I had my bag packed and ready to go. So I have this bag packed up for myself, my 3-year-old, and my puppy. So this is packed up basically for a little quick trip to the vet. And I found that the last time that I went with her, I was wishing I had had a bag full of all her stuff because I felt like I was juggling everything. So if you have a new puppy, or you're just going to the vet in general, or you're taking a little quick trip out with your puppy, this is a great bag option to hold all of your things, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I want to go over the outside features of this bag because the BFF has a lot to offer. So the BFF has a double zipper opening, one on each side of the bag here. This opens up very nicely. It has gussets on the inside, so it keeps your stuff from all falling out. So this becomes a perfect stroller bag. So if you have a stroller and you want to hang this bag on it, you just use the D-rings. You have one on each side here. You can hook that onto your stroller clips. And if you need to get into your bag, just open it up and nothing will fall out. It's great. I love that. You also have a tech pocket in the very front here. And you also have a double zipper opening on the mommy pocket. The mommy pocket holds all of mom's stuff and keeps it away from baby's stuff and puppy stuff. So you guys can just access your things right away without it getting all jumbled up in the inside of the bag. On the back of the bag, also I want to mention, I love the grab handle on the BFF. This one, I don't know what it is about this particular print, but I feel like the material actually feels very much like the old JuJuBe fabric on this bag. And I really, really like it. It feels super durable. So if you guys are familiar with that, I just wanted to mention that it does feel a little bit different than what they have been doing recently. So it feels great. I love it. Brings back memories. On the back here, you have your 2 backpack straps. These are adjustable and you can remove them completely if you don't want to wear it as a backpack. And then you could wear it with the messenger strap that comes with the bag instead if you wanted. This bag also comes with a change pad. I do not have it in this video, but normally you would probably keep it in this back pocket here. This is an open sleeve pocket, and it also has crumb drains at the very bottom. You also have bottle pockets on each side of this bag. So on this side, I have a cup, as you can see. It's a pretty decent sized cup, but you could definitely fit in water bottles, swell bottles, sippy cups, and baby bottles in here. You have one on each side of the bag. So that is just a quick overview of the BFF in this beautiful new print. Let's go ahead and jump onto the inside for the packing portion. So on the sides here, as I mentioned, I have a cup for my son. This is one of those Camelback cups, and I highly recommend them. I love these so much. I have one for each of my boys. Actually, I have doubles for each of my boys, so I have like 6 of these. That's how much I love them. So if you guys are interested in a great cup that does not leak, definitely check out the link down below, and you guys can go and purchase these if you are interested. But I love them. Perfect for traveling with too. So that's all I had on this side. I do have something on this side actually. So on here, I actually have some puppy treats, and I used my little Systema container. You can find these at TJ Maxx. You can also find them over at Amazon, so I will try and link these for you as well. But I have some little organic puppy treats down in there just to keep her happy while we're out and about at the vet. That's all that I have on the outside of the bag there, but in the front here in the mommy pocket, this is how I have it set up. So I have a small set piece in ... In here I have some things for myself, so I have the Superstay eraser that goes with my Superstay lip ink. You guys, these have to be used together. This stuff stays on your face all day, and if you don't use this, it's impossible to get off. So just keep that in mind. Definitely grab one of these. I will link this down below for you if you don't happen to have the eraser. It is a must-have with that lip stain, you guys. I also have hand cream, a folding hairbrush, and a little mirror. Also down in the front here, I have my keys on the key leash. And you guys can also see that beautiful color. I just love it. It's so pretty. Look at that. I love it. It's definitely, it has like a periwinkle vibe to it, but it's more on the blue end than purple. So I love that. I also have my Kate Spade Cara wallet. And that is all that I have in the mommy pocket. In the very front here, I mentioned this is the tech pocket. I have my iPhone 11 Max Pro down in there, straight up and down, so that just tells you how big this pocket is. And I had some wiggle room in there too. That's all that I have on the outside of the bag, so let's go through the inside. There's that double zipper opening, and this is what it looks like right now. So as a lot of you guys know, it's very cold out right now. We actually had snow yesterday, so I'm definitely having to get my gloves and things on and keep them with me at all times now. So I have these little mittens from Target. I love them. They are so cute and cozy. This is what it looks like right now that I have it packed up. On this side here, I also have a pair of gloves for Colton. Just little black ones. Now, as I mentioned, I do have this bag packed up for both my son and the puppy. So I have all the puppy's things kind of circling around in the back pockets there. And then I keep my son's things in the middle, so they're still kind of separated from each other. They won't be getting in each other's space. So I really like that. The BFF has just so much organization. So let's go ahead through the front things first. So in here I have some snacks for my son. This is a medium set piece. Here's what I've got. I have a fruit pouch, a go-go squeeze, a granola bar, some roasted almonds for me, and I also have some yogurt raisins. Now in my large set piece here, I have a change of clothes for my son. So I'm not going to pull everything out because it is very packed in there, but I have a long sleeve shirt, a pair of jeans, a pair of socks, and I also have a little pair of underwear for him because he is potty trained now. Hallelujah! I'm so happy about that, you guys. He's even been staying dry at night, so that's been just fabulous. Love that. So this is basically what it looks like on the inside now. It's almost empty, but now we just have to go through Emma's things. So on this side here, oh, this is actually more of Colton's things. I have a few toys over here to keep him busy if we're at the vet. So these are those robot toys that I like to show you guys, but they're really cool. I'm not going to show you how they work today because I am terrible at it, but Colton is a total pro and he loves these, so I highly recommend these if you have a 3-year-old. So now moving on to Emma's things. On this side here, I have her little harness. Now I actually bought this for my cat a long time ago, but Cammie doesn't really need it anymore. She likes to just kind of roam around on the back porch by herself, and I don't have to worry about her leaving. But I have this for Emma, so it's a little tiny cat harness, but it works really great for her. I also have her leash here. This is a rope leash, so it's actually really neat. You have a clip on this end and a clip here, so you could use it as an extended leash, or you can just use this as the handle. But I also got this little poop dispenser bag thingy, and I got this on Amazon. This is really great because it matches just about everything. So I have her leash and her poopy bags in this pocket back here. On this side, I have a little sweater for her. I got this on Amazon. It's got sparkle to it. It's really cute and cozy, and she just is able to go out and go to the bathroom if somewhere outside really cold. So this is just definitely a must-have this time of year. And the very last thing to go through is the bottom zipper here. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that around for you guys so you can see just a little bit better where that is. So there is this like hidden zippered pocket here that I don't usually use very often in the BFF, but I found with packing for Emma, this actually works really great. So in this pocket here, I just keep a couple of her toys. So I have a little chewy Nylabone toy for her, and I have a little rope toy. So if she gets really bored in her crate that I'm taking with me, then I can just toss one of these in there with her and she can chew on it. But that's all that I have in here, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you guys love this print as much as I do, it also comes in a bunch of other styles as well. And this print is currently available on the JuJuBe website, and I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me through my affiliate link, and I will leave that down below in the description for you. That link is always live, so you can shop through that whenever you want to. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here. Thanks for watching!